you've asked ChatGPT for help with your WordPress site before and all you got back was copy to paste. Here's how to connect it so it actually builds your pages for you. First, install the free Vibe AI plugin by SeedProd on your site. Then, in ChatGPT, open Settings, Apps, explore Apps and search for WPVibe. Select it and connect. This works on the free ChatGPT plan, and once it's added, you'll see a WPVibe chip under the message box. Now just tell ChatGPT to connect your site and give it your web address. It sends back a one-click link. You open it in your WordPress admin and approve the connection, and notice you never type your password into the chat. Approve it and your site is connected. From here, you just describe the page you want. I asked for a simple newsletter sign-up page that should feel like a personal letter, not a marketing pitch. The trick is being specific: the headline, the layout, the button text, and telling it to save the page as a draft. A few seconds later, ChatGPT built the whole page, saved it as a draft in SeedProd, and handed me the link to edit it. This is a real styled page, not a rough skeleton. Don't like something? Just say so. I asked it to change the button to my terracotta brand colour, and it updated the page in the same chat. Here's the finished sign-up page, built and restyled entirely by describing what I wanted. WPVibe is made by SeedProd, which is why this runs so cleanly. Get started with SeedProd and build your pages by chat from day one.